All right. Hello, Professor Solis. My name is Gabriel Carrillo. This is going to be exam number 3, the Collatz sequence that we were given about 2 weeks ago. So let's start with some documentation for this right here. Given the user number, let me increase this a little bit so you can see it easier. Here we go. Given the user number, can we determine the largest Collatz sequence generated? And yes, we're able to do this using 2 functions. It's going to be the user number modulus 2. And if that's the case, then obviously we divide that out by 2. And if it's not the case, then we're going to go ahead and use this one right here. It's going to be n user number is equal to 3 multiplied by n plus 1 if the number is odd. And basically, this loop is going to take the initial number n, run it through n modulus 2, the formula that we're given. And this is going to continue until the loop is equal to 1. If it is not equal to 1, then we're going to run it through 3 multiplied by n plus 1 until we are given the end result, which is going to be 2. Okay, so secondly, we have given the user number, can we store the Collatz sequence and output only the largest sequence? Yes, we're able to do this using the formulas above. We're able to store and output this using linked lists, and I'll show you that in just a second. And when we output the entirety of the largest sequence that we're given, we're adding this arrow in between to show the progression in which we're given this number with these given formulas right here. And then once this program is finished, is there a way for us to delete and give the memory back to the system? Yes, we're able to delete this, the allocated memory that we're using for this linked list, and restore it to the operating system at the end of this program. Okay, let me zoom this back out for my own sanity later. Here, this is the code. As you can see here, we're starting with a structure. Okay, and this is, we're assigning values to max count and max num because it can only increase from there. 0 is baseline. Here is the rest of the program. I'm going to increase it again for visibility's sake to 150. Hopefully that's a little better. Let's go ahead and show that the program currently works. Here is the loop that is saying if it's equal to modulus 2, then you're going to divide it out by 2. If it's not equal to 2, then you're going to take 3, multiply it by the number, and add 1 to it. Here we have the storing of the numbers right here. And here is the deletion at the end of it. This is what's going to delete it and return the memory to the operating system. Let's go ahead and run it here. We'll run it as 10 as the parameters earlier had asked. Let's go ahead and increase this. It's going to say enter an integer 10. The number that is less than or equal to 10 that produces the largest Collatz sequence is 9. And then here is the output for that. We can go ahead and scroll this back out. I actually really enjoy linked lists. I think they're fun to a degree. I think it can get very confusing when you're adding this portion specifically right here. This is kind of confusing. However, I was able to problem solve through some collaboration and find that out. But I think this is a fun topic to learn. So thank you. My name is Gabriel Carrillo. Thank you so much.